routines చేసుకునే దానికి నన్ను హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా చేసిన దానికి చాలా చాలా థాంక్స్.
This is our patient from Tirupati. Actually, she was referred to us by interventional radiologist from EGMO, who has been doing radio frequency ablation for years together, and he was aware of this new technology which has just come to India, which is called MR guided focused ultrasound. So he referred the patient to us, who was clinically as well as radiologically diagnosed of having osteoid-osteoma. And when she came to us, I explained, me and my team, we explained the procedure to her, that and she'll be and we told her this also. We made her aware of this thing, that this will be the first procedure which will be done on her in full Asia, because nobody has treated osteoid-osteoma with MR guided focused ultrasound in Asia till date. So we explained it to her. I told her everything, that you will be the first patient. I made her comfortable, that we will do our best and we will take away her pain. And after that, what all happened, Miss Avanti, who is from Tirupati and who is a working woman, and who, when she came and told us that she doesn't want to go through surgery because it will take away her about 4 months, and she was the only lady in the house also who was taking care of her old in-laws and her children and her husband, of course. So she was willing to get this done, and we did this procedure for her. And I would like her to tell that what all we did and what is her experience in her own words.
Miss Avantika from Tirupati. I'm osteoid-osteoma of the hip joint diagnosed chesi ma daggara pain chala pain in the hip joint tho vachinaru. సో మేము ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాము దానికి ఏషియాలోనే ఫస్ట్ osteoid-osteoma ట్రీటెడ్ బై MRG FUS అని. తను చాలా ధైర్యంగా ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ని ఫేస్ చేసినారు. అండ్ తన ఓన్ వర్డ్స్లోనే తన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ MR focused ultrasound ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.
I am suffering for fibroid for almost 3 years now, and we are looking for my treatment, and my husband helped me to search for a good medical treatment, and we found it here in Chennai under the concept Medicare with the help of Dr. Banwa. You tell.
Yes, okay. I'm a husband. My name is Ron Kramer. I'm originally from the Netherlands, and we both live in Oman. As my wife mentioned before, she was suffering from fibroids for over 3 years, and I have been researching on the internet on many treatments.
Tell about the symptoms. Yeah. The symptoms of the fibroid is normally I have heavy bleeding, have pain in my back pain, and I have my diet. On this one, only 6 months ago. 6 months. Yeah. 6 months ago, I went to my country to go for ultrasound for my fibroid, and the gynecologist found out that I have 3 fibroids, and all the symptoms are there. The heavy bleeding, the pain in my pelvis, and my back pain, and I don't feel comfortable. I always suffer
Pain. It was mainly the pain.
Mainly the pain is for it lasts for almost 1 week to 10 days. So it's not easy. It's not easy for me.
No. Of course, after all the symptoms for my wife, I think it was my duty or my responsibility to look for a good treatment for my wife with the least impact on her health. I have done my research on the internet. There were so many different treatments. There was uterus fibroid embolization, what is quite a complicated surgery. Removing the uterus, what is not an option because my wife is too young. And eventually I landed up on the internet by a treatment called MRG FUS. Again, there are treatment centers, more treatment centers in the world, but we both live in Oman. The closest by was actually Chennai. And that's how we landed up in the Concept Medicare.
Mrs. Maria and Mr. Kramer has been actually corresponding with us, for telling her about her symptoms and they had done an MRI, they sent us a CD, they sent us an images, we looked at the images, and then I suggested them that they should come over to Chennai and most probably we can treat his wife. So they came over here. The first day when they came here, we did her MRI. And we found that she has a submucosal fibroid which was about 4 centimeters in size, and all her problems, all her heavy bleeding and heavy pain during her menstrual time and a prolonged period were all due to that submucosal fibroid. And she had two small another fibroids which were in the interior wall. So she had 3 fibroids. So we suggested them that we will do their treatment, which is called MR guided focused ultrasound, the very next day. And they came in the morning at 8 a.m. and we started her treatment by, after her preparation and all that, we started her treatment by 9 a.m. and she was out of the room at about 12:31. And we did our best, and now they will tell you their experience during the procedure and after the procedure, how she's feeling about it.
And then of course, eventually we make the plan to come to Chennai. Then of course we land in Chennai. That was the first experience on its own. We went on Monday morning straight away to Concept Medicare for the initial consultation.
Free MRI procedure.
Yes, pre-MRI. To make sure that if the treatment can be carried out, yes or no. So there is no 100% say we're going to do the treatment or we can do the treatment.
But Dr. Banwa mentioned us that they will do their best for me.
Yes. That pre-treatment was done, and it was not easy because my wife has an inverted uterus. That made it more complicated. So even though, and this was what I think we both admired,
yes,
she will try to do her utmost best still to help my wife.
yes,
And she proposed to do in principle the treatment the next day.
yeah,
Correct?
yes.
On the treatment itself, I only read about it on the internet. I think you can tell that best. How did that go?
Everything in general, all procedure went well, and I am happy, and I'm looking forward that after 3 months everything will be fine, and I will not feel pain anymore, and yeah, I feel happy.
That's the whole thing. I mean, it's not an easy decision, of course, because the whole procedure is a non-invasive one, and this is a new technology. Like I mentioned before, there are many technologies around. This is the only one, but what we thought
Yes.
was the best for my wife, what is non-invasive. And that means in principle, no cutting,
No scar.
no scars.
No scar.
Women don't like scars.
Yes.
Correct?
You can tell about the general about the Concept Medicare, the staff.
The staff of Medicare, I think from day one when I emailed them from Oman, it went absolutely very smooth. We emailed on a regular basis. Eventually I've also spoken to the doctor who advised to send us the previous MRI details, and the response was absolutely a no-brainer. No headaches, no, how do I say
All the
this?
staff, they treat me well. They are very, what they call this one?
Attentive.
They give me moral support
Moral support.
during the treatment.
Yes. During the treatment, prior to the treatment, and after the treatment.
Yes,
So no wheelchair, no stories, walking out.
no, but they tell me to rest for at least 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 or 3 hours, yes.
I'm just excited that it's finished, so we go.
And in the evening we had a good dinner, normal, like normal, like before.
Yes.
Except the treatment was over.
Yeah.
You want to say that?
It's normal. It's like nothing. Nothing, no?
I would like to mention though, although we made this statement, the hospital has our contact details, and if anyone would like the more on our experiences, they can pass our contact details on to the hospital. We have no issue with it at all, because the more people
You
who
want to help also.
create awareness
Same
about this treatment, the
problem.
better it is
Yes.
for the other woman, and especially for the husband.
Yes.
No, the
But
son-
the husband should be aware.
No.
Once something, yes.
Because you don't want a wife 10 days lying in pain and complaining and pain,
Yes.
pain. So it's a mutual.
It's a mutual understanding between
Yes.
wife and husband.
So we did treatment for Mrs. Maria on Tuesday. They had come to on Chennai on Monday when we did a preliminary MR to see whether her fibroid is treatable or no. And then we decided, though her uterus was retroverted, but we decided we could treat her, and we told them about all the pros and cons of the procedure and everything. We explained it, and Tuesday morning they came at 8:30. We started the procedure by 9, and she was out of the room by 12:30. We wanted her to, and her procedure went on smoothly. There were no hassles, no complications. She tolerated the procedure well, and this all was done under conscious sedation. And by 12:30 she was out, and we wanted her to rest for 2 hours and then go back to the hotel. But as she has already mentioned, she was too excited about it, and she was up and ready to go to her hotel within half an hour. And I went out and I saw her sitting in the reception. I was amazed. I asked her, Mrs. Kramer, what is this? She said, no, I feel okay. I am ready to go back home. And they went home happily, and as Mr. Kramer said, they had a nice dinner that night, and she's doing well as of now. Thank you.